Yes, sir. Welcome back. Be on Boss Up with K channel, where I teach you how to get passive income, start these gig economy jobs, find these courier routes, driving jobs, how to level up out the 9 to 5 rat race. We're about that. You know the steez. All right, so I'm back with another great driving company, gig app based. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, Metro Speedy. Get paid weekly, being your own boss, moving packages around, last mile, grocery items, auto parts, medical items. They want you to do it all. So let's take a look at this company. See, this guy's moving on a bike. They work with small and large, medium-sized companies to do last mile delivery for their e-commerce products. If you are a e-commerce seller, if you need your stuff delivered, you can hit up Metro Speedy to get stuff delivered last mile wise. But we're here to talk about how we can make money with the company. So if a company is, needs stuff delivered or, delivering packages, that means they need delivery drivers. So what we always do when we come to these pages, go down to the bottom right here, become a speedy driver. So they got email addresses, phone numbers, social media contacts. See, this place is based out of New York. So, like I said, I had a question on one of my videos that's asking, how do you actually get these contracts with these companies? You got to be persistent. There's thousands of people contacting these companies trying to get on. You need to send an email, call. If you're close enough, pull up on them, talk to the manager, let them know that you're serious, let them know that you have experience doing this. Tell them that you've been doing DoorDash, you've been doing Amazon Flex. It's kind of hard to check references on these things. So just, fluff yourself up, make yourself look good before you come to these driver pages. All right, so right here, we need to put your email in, delivery with Metro Driver. I went through this process. They, just basic information, name, email, address. They're going to do a verification check just to make sure who you are. They ask you to send in a picture of your ID, your driver license, make sure you got a valid driver's license. Even though you don't, really need a car, you can use bikes and skates or skateboard, whatever you got to move stuff around. So no fees or time commitments. Just download the app, work when you want, keep 100% of the earnings, free deposits. So I know some companies charge 50 cents or some little fee to load your money on the card. This one loads your money up for free, earning your own schedule with the Fleet app, deliver with ease, clear earnings and distant deposits. So you get paid after each delivery, get weekly deposits every time. Look at this guy here delivering food, looks like. And he got some skates. And we got the advisory board. So like I said, they, bike, car, truck, box truck, whatever you need to deliver, you're going to get paid every week. Takes 5 minutes to sign up. Very simple. Now you see the top markets on the East Coast, New York, Washington, D.C. I have seen the hiring drivers in California as well. But those are what I've seen they're hiring for right now. So that's what I see, and that's what I'm going to believe where they're hiring the most. But go ahead and try it out. A lot of these companies, move on to different regions, moving to different states every other month. So being the first in line will help you a long way. Once they do come to your area, they're going to call you first, and you can get, first dibs on some of these routes and some of these contracts. So go ahead and try Metro Speedy, download the app, sign up. I'm going to leave a link to the description down below so you can get to it easy. Be on your own boss up with K. We don't hide any information. All right, guys. We are